Mike Maroone, president of AutoNation, joins us now from Peoria, Arizona, which is right outside of Phoenix, at the company's newest shop, which will sell Audi vehicles. Mike, welcome to Bloomberg's Bottom Line.
Thank you, Suzanne. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Tell us what's behind the big push into these luxury brands as the economic recovery takes hold.
Well, we think it's a huge opportunity, and at AutoNation, we're aggressively going after it. That particular segment is a growing segment. It's a very profitable segment. It's about a third of our business, and we're going to be opening either new or fully renovated 10 stores this year, including 3 in the month of April. And today we're here at Audi of Peoria, and we're very excited.
Right. Can you give us a sales projection? How may this impact revenues for AutoNation? You mentioned you have quite an expansion plan this year.
Well, we don't make revenue projections, but I will tell you it's a big part of our revenue, and it's a third of our profit. And so these investments we expect will really propel us going forward. The industry overall is up about 20% this year. We're up 26%. So it's a very good market, and the market continues to get stronger.
Mike, we have the S&P that is now negative for the year just before we came into your interview. Are you worried about the market conditions based on the fact that you're selling some of these higher priced vehicles?
I think overall the equity markets have performed really well over the last year and a half to 2 years after a very difficult time. So these things that are going on in the world certainly put pressure on a short-term basis, but we think we've got a very healthy economy in the United States. There's credit has been restored, consumer confidence is high, unemployment, although high, is stable. So we're pretty confident going forward these are the right investments.
AutoNation is you're the largest owner of Toyota dealerships. Can you give us any sense of how your inventories are likely to hold up based on what is happening in Japan?
Well, right now it's a little bit too early. We're assessing the situation. We've been in constant contact with Toyota. There is adequate inventory on the ground. The pipeline is in decent shape. Certainly, as they begin to understand the impact on their suppliers, I think we'll have more information in the next week to 10 days.
Okay.
But right now, we've got plenty of inventory.
Okay. Within the luxury space, obviously, you're opening this Audi dealership in the Arizona area. Where is this luxury demand coming from, and are consumers really willing to spend that extra dollar on cars versus some of the U.S. makers?
Well, they certainly are. The luxury segment is very strong. The baby boomers especially continue to invest in those products. There's outstanding products, and they're coming across all segments. Audi, for example, has introduced the A8 this quarter. They're introducing the A7 in the spring, which is a sportback. So there's a strong product cadence. They're very into fuel economy. They're introducing a number of diesel engines. So I think that their products are in line with what consumers want. There are very good lease deals out there on all of the premium luxury products, and the market seems to be holding up very, very well.
As you know, the auto recovery is certainly on track. There's been a lot of concern recently with gas prices at $3.55 based on AAA. Are you still confident that we can meet that 13 million sales mark for this year as the industry continues its recovery?
Well, our estimate has been 12.8, and we're sticking with that. It's very early in the year, but certainly the first 2 months of the year came in much stronger than people thought. The fuel economy issue really is impacting us in mix, not in total sales. And the industry is in very good shape. If you go back to 2008, the industry did not have the right inventory to deal with the fuel economy concerns. Today we do. Every manufacturer has the right products. Our inventories are very balanced. We have over 50% of car inventory, and even the CUVs, the crossover segment, gets very good fuel economy, and there's more product coming. So I don't anticipate a disruption, and thus far it's only been impacting our mix.
Okay, great. Well, Mike, thanks so much for your time today.